Hey there, a new day, a new project. You can see this is from my loudspeakers. Really nice cabinets. That's Mackie C300, and I think it's the right time to have a new paint on it. You know, years put all this patina on this, and it's time to refresh this. So what I got now, I bought me a spray with some black paint. And what we're gonna do, the first step is to mask all these labels, and a little bit more in this corner. Of course, if you can take these pieces, you know, these labels, and them out, it should be better, but I can't because they are glued to the iron mesh. All the way around. You see? And now they are perfect covered, so the spray or the paint is not affecting those surfaces. Okay, next, get some brushes like this. You don't really need to remove the paint. So the old paint is cleaned now, and I'm gonna use some alcohol to clean the surfaces, to get lose any trace of fat from the fingers. I don't know. That will make the paint going very, very well into the surface. I'm using isopropylic alcohol here. Needs to be cleaned very, very well. Okay, so now it's time to get ready with the paint. There is, oh, this is a stick remover. Okay. Sorry, this is the paint over here. So before anything else, you have to mix it very well. Shake it, baby. And here I am, ready to have the first coat. Hopefully it's not raining. Nice. You should go from the distance. Okay. That's the first layer. It's done. In the meantime, I will prepare the second one until this one gets dry. Okay, so there we have the final result. You know, they are looking really, really nice. Look over here. And of course, when we take all this mask away, look there. Perfect. Yeah, there's a little bit of tweaking over there, but generally that's how the things are looking now. Bright new. There we go. That's the final result. I think it's looking good, and I may say that it's like new, better than fabric. Thank you so much for now. I'll be back with some new projects soon. Don't forget to have fun and be safe. Bye bye.